Hi, welcome to the series of video tutorials on SmartAP Autopilots. In this video, I will show you the general configuration steps and calibration procedures. Let's open SmartAP GCS and connect the USB cable to the Autopilot.
Welcome to SmartAP GCS.
Now we can select the COM port and connect to the vehicle.
Connected to drone.
Parameters loaded, and now we can go to Configurator. Info tab shows the information about the versions of the hardware and software of the system and ground control station. Let's go to Airframe tab and choose our configuration of the vehicle. There are many options available. I select the Quadcopter X. If you have mounted the Autopilot or GPS module in any other than standard orientation, please select them from drop-down menu here. Press Send button to send the local changes to the flight controller. Now let's calibrate the ESCs. Press Calibrate ESC button. Please make sure to remove all propellers and disconnect the main battery before proceeding to this step. Now let's connect the main battery. After hearing these beeps, please press OK button in the GCS. ESC calibration has been successfully completed. Now we can disconnect the main battery. Radio calibration procedure. Select the type of your receiver here. I have as bus, so I choose this protocol. Then press Send and Save to SD button to apply changes. Now we need to restart the system. Close the configurator, press Disconnect button, and disconnect and connect back the USB cable going to the Autopilot. Press Connect button and go to Configurator, Radio tab. To start the calibration, press Calibrate button. Turn on the transmitter and move all the sticks, switches and sliders to their endpoints. Once it's finished, press OK button. You can remap the channels, apply reverse if needed, or disable unused channels. Press Save to SD to apply changes permanently. Now let's connect ground telemetry module. This will make further calibrations easier. Solid green and blinking red LEDs means that the connection is successfully established. Now you can disconnect the USB cable and connect the main battery. Close configurator, disconnect in GCS and connect to the telemetry COM port. Don't forget to choose the correct baud rate. For telemetry module, it should be 57600. Once you are connected and the parameters loaded, you can open configurator and go to IMU tab. Don't move the airframe when you start gyroscope calibration procedure. Just leave it as it is and press Calibrate button in the GCS. This beep means that the calibration was successfully completed. Accelerometer calibration procedure. Please align the vehicle as precise as possible and press Calibrate Accelerometer button. Don't move it. After hearing the beep, please go to the next step, placing the vehicle in the next position. After hearing the beep, please proceed to the next position. And to the next one. Continue. And finally, this beep means that the calibrations procedure was successfully completed. Magnetometer calibration procedure. It's very important to remove all metal objects or smartphones or keys or anything else from your pockets. So press Calibrate Magnetometer button, and then you will have 30 seconds to rotate the vehicle around all axes. Roll, pitch, yaw, and all of them mixed. Just like this. Try to make it as various as possible. Continue doing this before you hear the beep. Hearing the beep means that the calibration procedure was successfully completed. Magnetometer declination can be set either manually or automatically, based on the location. You can choose any of the options and then press Send and Save to SD buttons. Let's configure the battery settings. I set the battery capacity and the number of the cells. Voltage and current sensor scaling can be left by default if you use SmartAP power module from the set. Gain tab allows you to configure parameters responsible for stabilization and navigation of the system. More detailed explanation on tuning them will be given in the next tutorials. Control tab shows the settings for high-level manual, semi-autonomous, and autonomous control. Return to home, waypoints flight, and failsafe actions can be configured here. Parameters tab provides you direct access to all parameters, showing their current value and description. You can also save them to file or read from file. Now we have the fully configured and calibrated system. In the next video tutorial I will show you the general features of the ground control station. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video!